New at 10, social workers are sounding the alarm about a change in how Minnesota handles crimes committed by kids.
We just don't want to see these kids, we don't want to see these youth fall through the cracks.
Starting August 1st, children under 13 cannot face criminal charges in Minnesota. Supporters say it's a needed reform to get kids the help they need, but Ashley Graham's learned some counties aren't ready to make that change. Ashley?
Yeah, this law passed at a legislative session about 2 years ago. It's going into effect now later this summer, changing the approach from juvenile justice to social services.
In Minnesota, we've seen it before.
5 teenage passengers and a 12-year-old behind the wheel.
Young kids committing crimes.
Sometimes we're seeing kids as young as 12 and sometimes younger.
On August 1st, children ages 10, 11, and 12 will be dealt with differently in Minnesota. According to state law, children under 13 can no longer be prosecuted. Instead, they will be redirected to social services.
From a human services perspective, that's a role that we're not used to dealing with in terms of addressing public safety for people that commit crimes against other people.
Brown County's Human Services Director also represents a statewide association of social service administrators. She says in the few cases where kids do commit violent crimes, counties could be hard-pressed to find a secure location for that child.
Really are looking for some reasonable exceptions for those violent crimes.
Data from Minnesota's Juvenile Justice Advisory Committee shows 747 kids between the ages of 10 and 12 were arrested in 2023. 423 of them were referred for court proceedings, but fewer than 100 required detention. The vice chair of the advisory committee says they support the change, but are concerned counties aren't equipped with the proper services and training right now.
We aren't sure what the capacity is going to be and where those services are really going to need to be put in place.
During the legislative session, the advisory committee asked state lawmakers to delay the law another year, but that didn't happen.
We don't want to see these youth fall through the cracks.
But the state's largest county says they're ready for the change.
We shouldn't be charging children whose feet don't even hit the ground when we're talking, when they're sitting on a chair, when their lawyers bring coloring books in.
Mary Moriarty argues that often kids don't face charges and instead are found unable to stand trial.
When a judge finds a child incompetent, we can no longer prosecute. That child cannot be held in the juvenile detention center, which means they walk out the door with no services.
She says that's the reason the law shouldn't be delayed.
We need to get them the help that they need so that they don't continue to cause that type of harm.
Though a majority of counties may not be ready for this change.
I'm worried about our capacity to serve the breadth of what this law can bring. And I have some worries about community safety and youth safety.
And the other question organizations are trying to understand is what this law will actually look like in practice. What happens when an officer shows up to a scene involving children? Where should the kids be taken? And we're still working to get answers to those questions. We'll update you when we learn more.
Yeah, complicated. All right, thank you, Ashley.